Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to be working on glitter canvas French bows. As you can see, these ones are a mini size, but we will be doing a large one for the tutorial. I'll show you, it's gorgeous. I will link where you can buy glitter canvas on Amazon. And I will also link below the template to use for this style bow. But as you can see, it is a 4-piece. You have the top bow, the bottom bow, you have the spike, and you have the piece to wrap around the center. With this, you are also going to need a pair of scissors, a lighter, the clip of your choice. I use alligator clips. I will link below where you can find those as well. And you will also need a glue gun and glue sticks. It's a really easy bow to do. I cut my pieces out by hand because my template is not for the Cricut. It was a PDF. Nope, that's not it. This is it. I have several templates, but as you can see, it's just a four-piece template. Alright, to get started, you are going to, what I do is I take the clip and I attach it to the spike first. It's so much easier when you can push down on just one layer. I don't line my clip for this. You don't need to. But I just add a little bit of glue, pop it to the back, make sure that it adheres fully, and then I take the piece that you were going to be wrapping around the center. Just add a line of glue to the inside of that, and then take it and add it into the clip. Again, this is so much easier to do when you don't have the full bow, which is why I do this in the beginning. So there you go, the spike and the center wrap is ready to go. Take one part of your bow. It doesn't really matter which one you start off with because you're just going to attach them together. Get the placement that you need for the, to take the pieces and wrap them towards the back like that. I usually hold one in my hand once I have the placement, and I will add a dot of glue. Push that down on the center, and I spent a lot of time fluffing these loops, especially if you don't get the greatest quality of glitter canvas, but it works. A tip I found, if you get thinner glitter canvas, is to spray it with a fabric stiffener. It will help it retain some stiffness. So this is the one part. Put that off to the side. And you are going to do the same for the other bow part. That's the inside, as you can see. Bring both pieces to the back. There we go. Once I have where they need to be, as I said with the other one, I hold down one loop, put a dot of glue in there, glue it down, and then come and put a dot of glue on the other side, bring the other loop in, So both of your loops are in on both bows. And at this point, you literally just glue the pieces together. And I find it's easier to glue the two loops together first, the two loopy bow parts. Glue those together first. Oops, I'm not doing that on camera, sorry. And that one came on crooked. Alright, let's do that again. There's always mistakes in bow making. Do not let anybody tell you there's never mistakes in bow making. There's always mistakes. Alright. Just hold the two loopy bow parts together for a second. Make sure they've attached firmly together. You can pull off any glue seepage you might have. And then you are going to take a little bit of glue on the spike part. And you are going to attach the loopy bits to it. Again, hold down in the center, make sure that everything is firmly adhering. Take that center bit, the center strap piece that you wrap the center with. I don't know what it's called. You have to take that and wrap that around the front. Make sure that you get it tight as you can get it. It looks a lot better when it is snug against the bow rather than loose. And it may just take a little bit of holding it and pulling to get it as tight as you would like it, but that is how I like it personally. I think it looks best like that. And then you're going to open up the clip, bring that center piece in. I just let go of it, but that's fine. Drop a little bit of glue in there. Close it, and you're going to hold it to make sure that it adheres. And then you're just going to come and cut off the excess. And where the lighter comes into play is glitter canvas has a tendency to fray a little. So just run your lighter over where you've cut and push down. And at this point, your bow is done. You can sit here and play with the loops and get them as loopy as you would like. And there you go. This is the glitter canvas French bow. It is ready to put in your little one's hair, or if you are like me and you sell them, they are ready to sell. I hang them up for sale on cards like this. If I can, I will link below where I got these. I got these on Amazon a while ago. I bought a ton of them. I'm not sure if they're still available, but if I can find them, I will link them. These are the bows. To make these, it's the same principle as this. It's just smaller pieces. So again, I will link the in Google Docs. I will link the not Google Docs, Dropbox. I will link this in Dropbox, the templates for that. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments or requests for tutorials, please feel free to leave them below. If If you have not already subscribed, please do so. I try to upload once a week, but life has gotten me to the point where I've missed a couple weeks, and I do apologize. I'm trying to catch up. But feel free to subscribe, and I will see you all in another video. Bye!